Welcome, dear students, to a comprehensive reading revision session brought to you by Al-Manahij Academy. In this lesson, we will walk through a powerful and insightful reading text titled The Environment and Human Impact, Advanced Stream. This file is specially designed for grade 12 students in preparation for the Term 3 final exam for the academic year 2024 to 2025. The reading passage focuses on a very important and relevant topic, our environment, and the impact of human activity on it. It explores how human actions, especially technology and industry, have affected the environment in both positive and negative ways. Students will discover real-world examples, scientific evidence, and community perspectives that challenge them to think critically. Let's now go through the passage paragraph by paragraph. The first paragraph introduces the environment as a delicate and complex web of life. It explains that every action we take leaves a mark on our planet. It highlights how modern technology has helped some countries access clean water and energy. However, it also shows how it causes pollution and deforestation in others. The second paragraph presents a real-life example from Southeast Asia. Here, large-scale farming supported by modern machines increased food production. But the use of fertilizers and pesticides has contaminated the land and water, harming local ecosystems. Some rivers that were once full of fish are now nearly empty. While some people celebrate the economic success, others worry about long-term damage. In the third paragraph, the text compares older and younger generations. Older farmers remember the traditional ways and worry about pollution. Younger residents focus more on the benefits of technology. But both generations agree on one thing: we must manage our natural resources carefully. The fourth paragraph gives us a hopeful look at the future. It talks about new eco-friendly solutions that are being applied around the world. For example, seaweed farming is being used to clean water in coastal towns. Other areas are starting recycling programs led by local communities. The final paragraph gives a strong conclusion. It reminds us that while technology offers solutions, how we use it matters most. The future of our environment depends on the choices we make today. Now let's look at the comprehension questions. There are 7 multiple-choice questions that test your understanding of the text. These questions help you practice identifying main ideas, details, and inferences. They also test your ability to recognize tone changes and summarize key information. After that, we move on to 2 extended response questions. The first is an inference question. It asks why some communities continue to support industrial farming, even though it harms the environment. The second is a justification question. You need to support your answer using evidence from the text. These 2 tasks help you practice forming opinions and backing them up with strong reasoning. By working through this file, you will improve your reading, writing, and thinking skills. You'll learn how to find key ideas, support your answers, and build arguments like a real academic writer. This practice will make you more confident and prepared for the final exam. Before you start answering the questions, here are some tips. Read the passage at least twice. Underline or highlight important words and ideas. Pay attention to examples, comparisons, and emotional tones, and always use quotes when writing your justification. You can download the full file from the video description and use it as a daily revision tool. Practice regularly, and you'll see your performance improve significantly. Thank you for joining this session. This has been a reading revision from Al-Manahij Academy. Stay motivated, stay focused, and always aim for excellence.